Alright, so this is the Samsung Galaxy A05. Let's talk about it. Hey fam, it's Dominion Audu here. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy A05. First of all, the Samsung Galaxy A05 is a 4G device that was released and also announced in December 2023. That was around a month back. The Samsung Galaxy A05 weighs around 196 grams. That's around 200 grams, which is basically kind of normal in my opinion. It comes with a glass front, a plastic back, and also a plastic frame. And still talking about the body, it also comes in with dual SIM card slots. And now let's talk about the display. The Samsung Galaxy A05 comes in with an IPS LCD display with 60Hz refresh rate and also a peak brightness of 500 nits. The screen size is 6.78 inches and also 1080 by 2460 pixels screen. The Samsung Galaxy A05 is running on Android 13 with the MediaTek Helio G88 processor with 12nm chipset with the Mali G52 CPU. For extended storage, it also comes in with a dedicated SD card slot, 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage, 4GB RAM, 128GB internal storage also. The main camera is a 50MP f1.6 lens with a 2MP 2.4 macro lens. It also comes with the flashlight, and the device can also shoot 1080p 30 frames per second video, 1080p 60 frames per second video, and also 1440p 30 frames per second video. The selfie camera is a 32MP f2.2 wide lens that can also shoot 1080p 30 frames per second video. It comes with a stereo speaker, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-C charging port, and also a microphone. This smartphone is Wi-Fi enabled, Bluetooth enabled, GPS enabled, NFC enabled. It also comes with a built-in radio and also OTG 2.0. The battery is a 5000 mAh battery, and this smartphone can also fast charge with a 33 watts fast charging. I mean, you're pretty much good to go with it. Alright, I guess that's the end of the specifications and also my pretty small review of the Samsung Galaxy A05. Let me know what you think about the Samsung Galaxy A05 in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this particular video also in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and also subscribe. Follow me on all social media handles. Links are going to be down in the description box of this particular video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you when you see me.